Welcome back, class. Today we are going to be talking, or we are going to discuss about what the shift in demand and the movement in demand is. Many people are usually confused with the shift in demand and the movement in demand, so I'm going to clear that right now and right here. So when we talk about a shift in demand, a shift in demand is a complete movement of the demand curve either to the right or to the left. It means when we say a complete movement, the demand curve moves from its original position to another position. That's what we call a shift in demand. And this is caused by other factors affecting demand aside price. When we talk about a movement in demand means that demand is moving along the same demand curve. When we say something is moving, it means that it's moving along the same way. Because let's consider this our demand curve be like a road. When we say a movement in demand, it means that this demand is moving along this same demand curve. That's why we say a movement in demand is a movement along the demand curve, either up or down due to an increase or a fall in price. That's why we call it a movement. But when you hear about a movement in demand as drawn here, you will see that demand is moving along the supply curve, along the demand curve, either up or down. When we talk about a shift, you just need to know that when they say shift, you shift from this road to this other one. It's the same like you shift from one demand curve to the other. That's the meaning of a shift in demand. So don't get confused. If you are confused, or if I'm explaining, if you are not understanding, you can hit on the comment button, or you can ask a question under the comment section. I'll answer you right there and right away. Let's continue. When we talk about a shift in demand, this is our diagram for a shift in demand. We see that our original demand curve was at T2 and the price here was at P2. Remember, when they say a shift in demand, it's only affected by other factors affecting demand, not price. So we see that in a shift in demand, our original demand was at D2 here. D2, we see that due to an increase, maybe due to an increase in the taste and fashion of the people, due to a change either in population, demand has increased. There is an increase in population. The population of the country has increased. It will go a long way to increase the demand of goods and services. That's why we see the demand curve moves upward. It moves upward. When we talk about, say, maybe a fall in the population, our demand curve is going to fall back. It means that it's going to move downward. That's why we leave from our original demand curve, we move downward. That's one we call a fall in demand. The demand curve has completely shifted from our original position to a new position. That it has instead moved downward due to a fall in price, due to a fall in population, because we know that this one is not affected by price. We saw that our demand curve has increased. It has moved from Z2 to Z3. That is, it has moved to the right. Let me note one thing here. We know that a movement along the demand curve to the right indicates what? An increase in demand, while a movement to the left indicates a fall in demand. Definitely means that when the population of a country increases, the demand is going to shift from its original position to the right. When population falls, demand is going to shift from its original position to the left. That's what we, as you can see on the board, it is clearly written. A shift in demand is not affected by price. It's only affected by other factors affecting demand. I was using changes in population as an example. There are other factors. Let's move to a movement in demand. Like I said, a movement in demand is that's a movement along the same demand curve, either to the right or to the left, either upwards or downward. We saw it is caused by changes in prices. Other factors are held constant, but only price vary. So we saw that our original price at this point was at P2. Meanwhile, our demand was right here. The our quantity supply was at P2. We saw that demand has the prices of the goods and services has increased from P2 to P3. P2 to P3. It has caused our quantity demanded to fall from pure 2 back to pure 3. We call this one a contraction in demand. That's from point B here to A. We call it contraction. In we call it contraction in demand. Meanwhile, a movement when prices of goods and services fall from P2. You remember P2 is our original price. So price has fallen from the original price from P2 down to P1. That's P2. So our arrow showing from P2 to P1. It has enabled quantity demanded to change to move from pure 2, our pure 2 here, right here, to pure 1. Therefore, we call this one an extension in demand. A movement from point B to C, we call it an extension. Extension in demand. So that's all. And remember, this one, a movement in demand is affected by price. Other factors are held constant. While a shift in demand is affected by other factors. Is affected by other factors. Price is held constant. So I hope you have understood the difference between a shift in demand and a movement in demand. Our next class we are going to discuss on a shift in supply and a movement in supply. Please, if there's any question or something you are not understanding, just send it under the comment section. I'm going to answer you right there and right now. Thank you. So we'll see you next class. If you are new, always remember to subscribe, hit the notification button in order for it to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.